So today I'm going to be trying to steam bend in the ribs. These are some tests that I did the other day, and this is just 1/4 inch stock I got from Menards, and so it's kiln dried and everything, but I steamed that for just about 3 minutes, and it bent really easily. So I'm quite hopeful that this will work for this project. A lot of people talk about needing to have green wood, and I'm sure that works better, but so far this kiln dried oak is working. Seems to be working fine. This is my setup, just using my pressure canner as a steam generator. Got a length of pipe. I got the cap on the end with just some holes in it to allow steam to come out, but enough to hold steam in there for a while. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I got the steam box fired up, pumping steam in there. Got one rib in there. So right now it's one at a time is working pretty well for me. Got 2 ribs in place. And we just kind of bend them over the frame and let them dry till tomorrow, and then we can actually end up going on the inside of the canoe when you're done. So I'm gonna see how that keeps going. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. I got these ribs so they're before they're kiln dried. Started out just steaming them. Now I've taken some and I've put them in the bathtub and soaked them for half an hour, and then steaming them for 5 minutes. Let me just show you what that does for kiln dried wood. Well, look at that. It's just so flexible. That's what we really are wanting to see. Really get good shape, and you can bend it that well. And it really just slides right in. So you don't have to have green wood. You can get some good oak. Gotta shape it a little bit. Awesome, beautiful. That's what we want. So there we go. All the ribs are in place. This is just forming them. I'll let them dry overnight, and then we'll stick them inside the canoe tomorrow. But that went really well. I was a little nervous about bending these ribs, especially since they were kiln dried, just bought from Menards oak, 1/4 inch oak. And it went really, really, really slick. So, very pleased. Come back tomorrow and finish this off, and we'll be good. I only had 2 broken ones, so I guess I can't complain too much.